And why is there no scarcity in diesel, but there is scarcity in fuel, PMS? The story is simple. Most of the diesel you buy is brewed by the communities. Don't let any fuel station deceive you. 90% of the diesel in the fuel stations are produced by the communities. It will also interest you to know that even the oil companies, they patronize the local diesel. Don't let anybody deceive you. They also patronize the local diesel. But they do it illegally and behind doors. So as we go, the local content board has a lot to do with people of this skill and character. I'm not too sure how much your act empowers you to establish infrastructure, but to be honest with you, you might need to focus more on the communities. The reason why the price of diesel is high today is because of the works of the private security companies like my company, Tantita Security Services, because we have been able to somehow, somewhere, cut down on a lot of the businesses, a lot of the illegal refining going on. That is why you see the cost of diesel going up. I believe, let me stop here for now. Thank you.